makiyumiria na makiria njikanirio gatagari ka raia na makiria anyitiriri na rorongani na makiria aria marumagirira azimio hamwe na thirikari magithii na mbere na gutetia undu uyu. Riboti iria ngitwe nayo ni ati mutongoria wa tene nowe president wa kana wa bururi wa Kenya mugathe Uhuru Kenyatta nithiite na mbere na gutetia thirikari ya President William Samoei Ruto akiuga ati ni ya kuhũthĩra gĩthũri mokĩte thutha wake gukorwo akihithuria ati riu ni kuri na njama ya kiama kia Jubille kana we gukorwo agitunyukithio kiama kia Jubille na kicoke kinengerwo andu aria mari thirikari-ini na makiri aria marenda kuhahama kiama giki. Mugathe Uhuru wa Kenyatta ayanite miario ino muthenya wa ira utuko na riria arathiite gucerera na makiria kuna mucii wa mwana wake no rio wikaine ta Jomo gukirikana ati ni kurari na igeria ria maabitha na makiria kuma ruhonge rwa DCI kugeria kuingira mucii ucio wake na gitumi kinene gitire kirakurikana. Undu uracokire gwikirwo mukonde ni minister wa ugiteri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki.
No. I said it when I was even right there on the platform. Here. But what I completely rejected was the coup that was planned by this government to take over my party forcefully. And I said, let the members decide. But I will not hand over to some puppet group of people, all right, because they have government support. No, that is not democracy. Right? That is not to say that I was not willing to hand over. I wanted to hand over. I was prepared to hand over. But what I found to be completely illegitimate and unacceptable in a democratic state is to be forced to hand over to a group of puppeteers. No. Right? And I stood up and I said, let the members of Jubille choose who they want to lead them. And that is the person I shall hand over to.
And the politicians you're referring to, these were actually your allies formally. Do you feel betrayed in any...
I have no issue to do whatever they want. I can't comment about it. Whatever they want to do, that's their business. Right? My issue is the membership. It is the people. It is the agenda Jubille went to the election with. That is what needs to be defended. What individuals do, you go ask them themselves. Me, I carry no grudges against anybody.
And with the latest...
I don't know what's in front of my mother's house. I have people who have been guarding my mother for the last almost 50 years, withdrawn at night. I have a situation where my son's home is being raided for things that I don't understand. So I asked myself, what does this government want? Because if it wants me, the fact that I've been silent doesn't mean I'm for me.
Ucio ni president wa kana wa bururi wa Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta muthenya wa ira na